Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some Lollipop chicken right here. We bought the brine, our chicken, for 1 hour. And after we brine them, we go wipe them dry, rinse them off, all that good stuff. We go place them in the oven and let them do their thing. So we're using some salt. We gonna use 2 tablespoons of salt. That's 1. 2. We're also gonna use some garlic powder. 1, 2. We're gonna add our water. So this is cold water right here. So we'll get this 1 hour, and then we're gonna start cooking. Now remember, go ahead and fill this up with water. We want this to cover the chicken, the water to cover the chicken. We're not gonna stick it in the refrigerator, we're just gonna let it sit out. Just like so. Okay, so this is the season we're using. We have our paprika, our meat tenderizer, our roasted garlic and herb, and Italian seasoning. Oh, so we're gonna do 1, 2. Our roasted garlic and herb. We'll do Italian seasoning now. Really can't get it. Okay. 1 more little scoop. Alright, we got 2 of each. We'll go ahead and pour the meat tenderizer. That's 1. And my paprika. That's 1. Boom. 2. Alright, so we only got 1 tablespoon of meat tenderizer, 2 Italian, and 2 roasted garlic and herb. and 2 paprika. That's it. Cause that meat tenderizer have a lot of salt, a whole lot of salt in it. Okay, so everything is rinsed real good, pat dry. Now we'll give it some spray, some bake spray. You want that seasoning to stick. Chicken. So we want every little piece of that chicken to be seasoned real good. And we're gonna throw it in the oven. My oven is preheated at 400. Okay. Now with the seasoning. Go ahead and rub all that seasoning in. We'll go place it in the pan. Okay, so that's how we looking. We'll put it in the pan just like that. Preheated to 400. We don't need to add no water, nothing. It's going right in the oven. Okay, so that's how we looking. An hour later. Good, looking good. Got it. Okay, so here we go right here. We have that delicious salad with the ranch dressing. Baked lollipop chicken with the creamy chicken, rice and broccoli. Made it happen. Did my thing in this kitchen. Yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.
Yeah, let's go. Yeah. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, then you better get to looking in the kitchen. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, get up. If you wanna know what Chef Dice cooking in the kitchen, hit that button, press play, get to looking in the kitchen, hit that like, hit that subscribe. You gotta show that love. This loyalty run a long way like a dove. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice, what up? Dice, cut up. Chef Dice.